Subscribe to Smartphone Tutorials and hit the notification bell icon to get instant notification. Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in today's video we're gonna have a look at yet another closed beta update that is 9.5.25. Now, although this update may not have a lot of new features or may not have a lot of changes, but what I will give you is that this is very amazing. The touch feel is much better compared to what it was earlier. Although the Antutu scores and the gameplay experience is more or less the same, but I believe this is the update wherein I can, easily recommend you to use it for a daily driver or something like that, and the download link as always will be mentioned in the description. So let's have a quick look at it. What are the changes, if there are any, and how does it feel to use the latest closed beta? But before we do that, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. At the same time, here's a card to my second channel, that is Kratos390. Go ahead and check that channel out as well. Now, without further ado, hello awesome people. Welcome to Smartphone Tutorials. My name is Kailash. Let's get going. Alright guys, so welcome to another video for this wonderful device, that is the Xiaomi Pocophone F1, and as we can see, we are running MIUI beta, and this is of course a closed beta. The version we are talking about here is 9.5.25. If we look at the security patch, that is still the 1st of April. Why Xiaomi? Why you can give us the latest security patch? You've given it to your other devices. Why not us? At the same time, I'll talk about what Xiaomi's done to some other devices and what they've not done with our phone. But nonetheless, let's quickly go to the Android version over here. If we have a look, the Android version is 9, that is Android 9 Pie. So everything is good there. Now, going forward, if we have a look at settings, we don't have anything called as special features. That is not available. Along with this, we have explore new features, in which you have the usual quick ball, one-handed mode, second space, and stuff like that. If we go to additional settings here, and if we go to developer options, once again, we still don't have dark mode. You've given it to Note 5 Pro, Note 6 Pro. Why not us, Xiaomi? If you think that they should give us the dark mode, like this video and mention the same in the comments section so that we can raise our voice to Xiaomi, and we really need that dark mode because it looks absolutely amazing. But nonetheless, that's not what this video is all about. In this video, I'm going to talk about a very important factor. The very important factor here is the touch feel. I have tested the touch panel through the hardware testing menu and a couple of apps as well, and the touch feeling is amazing compared to the stock 10.3.4. And while I'm at it, I would like to answer a few of your questions. Is it safe to upgrade to the closed beta? Yes, of course it is safe. I have been using it as my daily driver since forever. I've not had any major problems. That might be small bugs here and there, but you can definitely use this update as your daily driver. The touch feel is amazing. Touch feel while playing PUBG is amazing. The phone does heat up a little less compared to what it heats up on the stock ROM, that is the stable one. Apart from that, let's quickly go ahead and have a look at the benchmark numbers here. So if we go to Antutu benchmark, we did score 293,597 before you guys start posting your scores over there, and we are in a humid climate, so the CPU does tend to throttle. But if we have a look at the details, we did score 95,383 over here. In CPU we scored, and in GPU 126,668. So all in all, this is a very decent score for this particular update. And if we go to Geekbench over here, the single core score was 2346 and the multi-core score was 6334. Now, to install this, all you have to do is you have to download this file, copy it to your phone's internal memory, and flash it via TWRP with DFE. Everything was shown in one of my previous videos. You can go ahead and check that video out. So all in all, what I would like to say is that I have played PUBG on it. I have used this since last night, since the time it came out, and this is one of the best global closed betas because it doesn't have any bugs. It keeps most of the features, and the touch drivers are finally there. They're not comparable to the other flagships that we have by other manufacturers, but it is perfectly pinpointed. It works just fine. I don't have any ghost touch issues. So the touch panel responds the way it should have from day one. So yes, the touch issues are solved. Gaming, yes, it's amazing for gaming as well. Benchmark, maybe not. Features, well, we still have all the important features that come in beta updates, like different types of lock screens and face unlock in app lock and fingerprint unlock in app lock and all the other things. So more or less, this is an amazing stable beta update, using that statement in one go. All right, nonetheless, so you can download this file from the description, install it, and the only reason I made this video was to give you guys confidence that you can go ahead and flash it. You will not regret it. After flashing it, let me know in the comment section how was your experience with this particular update. And until the next one, yes, before we start the next one, well, we have a Resurrection Remix ROM review coming out day after tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Please, please, please subscribe and hit the notification bell icon and like videos on this channel, guys, because we do a lot of hard work to bring this content to you. Please support us. So until the next one, this is Kailash signing off at Smartphone Tutorials. Keep smiling. Take care. Goodbye.